Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be looking at serum. I am working on my new sound bank that will be coming out next month, hopefully. And I was looking to do something of a sequence, but randomized chaos, organized random chaos type of vibe. So we're going to do that with serum today, so let's dive in. Let's just throw our MIDI clip. Okay, so this is 2 bars, tracks in E. There we go. Let's get the volume down a bit. I'm actually just gonna pop a limiter just so that we don't go over. Okay. So first thing what it's gonna do is to get the randomized sound, we're gonna jump. Let's just put on a bandpass filter. Lots of resonance, bit of drive. Okay. So first thing we do in the matrix, go to the source. We're gonna use chaos 1 onto the filter cutoff all the way. We can determine how much we want to use of the chaos filter onto the cutoff. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use chaos 2 onto oscillator A wave table position. And that's going to be full as well. I'll show you why we're going to do it full. And then we're going to do chaos 1 full onto oscillator B wave table position. So what you're doing is you're having these 3 random generators onto the cutoff, onto the wavetable position of A and B oscillator. So let's use something digital because you'll get a bit more weird noises when this moves around. So let's look for something. Okay, that looks interesting. It started there. So you see from 50% to 100% there's some cool movement. So let's go back into the matrix. So for wave for A, we're just going to use 50%. So that 50% will cover this section. And then for B, let's look for something digital again. Maybe some evolution. Okay, that has a lot going on. And let's use 100% of that. So I have no idea what it's going to sound like yet, so let's find out. So let's just see what's going on. Let's loop that. Okay, that's sounding cool already. So we're going to leave random start position on because that creates more randomness. So the start position always changes as well as on the side. Let's maybe detune the first one. Oh, what we forgot to do is put oscillator B through the filter as well. There we go. So you're hearing the randomness. Let's play around with some different wavetables. Let's take FM from sub oscillator. So cool. Let's try a different filter type. Let's try maybe a formant. Let's try the comb. Okay, let's use less. So let's use less of the chaos 1 in the filter cutoff. That sounds cool. Let's try some distortion. Just use the tube. Okay, so now we have this randomized chaos happening in our oscillators. So the way we can control it is we can either record, say, 8 bars of this. So we can record 8 bars of this and then cut off all the little good parts, the snippets. We can snip each part and then create something rhythmical. Or we can use these LFOs. So let's turn it to 16. We turn it over 2 bars because our section is 2 bars. And we can draw in a gate. I'm holding shift and then it just creates these. Okay, so once you created your bar, it's just trig. So that just means whenever the MIDI plays again, it will repeat from the beginning. Then what we can do is we can throw it on the level. So when it's on the level, we're kind of now controlling what we want to hear in a gated pattern. So let's hear. So the gated pattern would stay in this organized format, but the randomness of the chaos filters and on the chaos oscillators as well will always be changing. So we will kind of have the chaos happening here, the randomness happening here, and the organized section happening down here. So let's just take a listen with kick and bass and everything playing. This is bypass. That's just being random. If you want, you can create a second little gate on this one and put it onto oscillator B, and you'll have the one speaking to the other one. So let's just add some delay. I think it will sound nice. And then once you have this, you can start playing around with the different wavetables and see anything interesting pops out. That's cool. Play around with the filters as well. Throw in different filters, see what pops out. sound epic, or that sound is a butt crusher. That's huge. Lower oscillator sounds better. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the sound bank that will be coming out next month. I'm sure you'll love it. Thanks for watching.